And that's what, number 10 or 11? I don't even know at this point. That is my panfish box. And I'm doing something a little bit different in the morning. I'm actually going to be chasing bluegill. I've got a little ultralight Daiwa. My room's a mess. Don't pay attention to that. It's a Mitchell reel with a old Daiwa ultralight rod. And then I'm also taking these two, my spinning setup and my casting setup, just in case I decide to target some bass. So I'm going to get rigged up and we're going to go fishing. Well, not now because it's like 9:30 at night, but in the morning. Oh, I have one. No, I don't. What am I doing? I don't know. Never knew it out. There we go. There's one. Oh, that's a bass, I think. I can't tell. No, that's... Oh my goodness, that's a chunky bluegill. Holy cow. Yes, I'm happy I finally got on some fish, because, I don't know, the bass have just not been cooperating lately, and I miss getting on fish. Oh, that's a good one. I don't know what it is. Oh, loosen my drag, loosen my drag. I think it's a bass, honestly. Oh yeah, it is a bass, it is a bass, it is a bass. Oh my gosh. I gotta play him, wear him out. This is only 6-pound test, and it's super old. Oh, he's taking me out, he's taking me out. Oh, don't jump. Oh, he's barely hooked in the side of the lip. Oh my goodness, he's digging, he's digging, he's digging. Ooh, this is so fun on light actions. Come on, come over here, come over here. Oh. No. Yes. Oh, that's probably a 1.5 pound bass, I'd say. Definitely wasn't the target species, but I am not complaining. I hate having wet hands and putting them back on the rod. I don't know, that's just a pet peeve of mine. Hey, if they're biting, no need to leave. That is true 100% of the time. No matter what body, no matter what species you're going after. If they're biting, no need to move. Third one on the morning. That's a bluegill. Oh my goodness, his colors are amazing. Just got this little bluegill pumpkin seed, warm mouth green pumpkin, sun, whatever. Oh, I think that's a smaller bass. Can't tell. Yeah, it is. Oh, he's got some tug to him. Yes. See you later, dude. It's funny, I come here with like all these bass fishing lures. I've got topwater, I've got crankbaits, I've got Cincos, jigs, all this stuff. And I never catch a dang thing, but I come here going for panfish, and I catch 2 bass. Like, I mean, I don't know if I'm supposed to be happy about that, or what. Some there's a little activity going on right here in this pocket, so I'm just gonna flip in, see what I can come up with. called it. Oh, that's a pumpkin seed, I believe. A little bit smaller. Still a good looking fish. Number 5. Good looking fish. Yeah, I believe that's a pumpkin seed. There's a thingum. There we go. That's what I was trying to do. Oh my goodness, he took off with it. That's probably a bass. Yep. Like, I felt him bite it, and then all of a sudden my lure was another 3 feet away, and I was just like... Okay, yeah. Reasons why you should use an inline spinner. Number 7? That's a straight up bluegill. It's not even like a... I don't know what I'm trying to say. I never really do. Nice little guy. Oh. Yeah. That's better. That's probably not a bass. Oh yeah, that's a bluegill. That is a green sunfish. Look at their mouths. There we go. Fat little guy. There's a fish. No, it's not. What the heck? This is strong for a 6-pound test. There we go. Darn it. Okay, time to retie. Okay, got a similar thing rigged up. It's a rooster tail, but it's a little bit shorter, and it's gold and black instead of black, white, and purple. So, we'll give it a shot. Hopefully I still get some fish. Hopefully. Yeah. Oh my goodness, that happened right there. Woo! Ah! Oh my god. Oh, how did I not high stick? Oh my... I was pulling the lure out of the water and he just... So, number 8, 9, I can't remember. Okay, I was pulling my lure up out of the water right here and he shot out at it. I think he was under this little, like, stump thing. I don't know, though, because I'm not cool. They're all at the... Oh my god, this guy is tiny. That's a pumpkin seed, for sure. Fuck, I'm about to get a handful of trebles. It's a tiny, tiny fish. Like, I mean, this guy is small. And again, he just came from, like, right out there. I don't know why they're so shallow, but they are. So, just gotta keep that in mind. Oh. Wait, what? I didn't even... What? Was my lure not out of the water? I am so confused at what just happened. But I am catching some tiny pumpkin seeds. Oh yeah, you got hooked good. Beautiful little pumpkin seed. And that's what? Number 10 or 11? I don't even know at this point. I wish I had some fly gear, because they're busting, and I'm pretty sure it's not on frogs and stuff. So, like, I've got a couple flies. And we've got a fly rod and realize you can't cast it worth a crap. Okay, I'm gonna make a little switch of locations. Move back that way because there's another opening over there. And just, I'm going to see how we do. Oh, dude, that sucker came right up to it. Like, he was, like, I saw his face. Loki kind of scared me for a second because it just freaked me out. Bluegills are ugly. There's one. Little green sunfish. There we go. Be gone, folk. Oh, that's good. That's a good fish. Maybe not. Yes, it is. Oh, yes, it is. Oh, yes, Daddy. Oh, I need to let some drag go out. Oh, goodness. That's a fatty with a PH. Okay, no. Decided to throw the Cinco around for a second since I brought it. Might as well use it. There's one. Oh my goodness. He's hooked in the bottom lip. This is gonna be awkward. Oh. That was honestly the worst hook set I've ever had on a fish. Like, did you guys see where that hook was? It's not that bad of a fish, but I mean, could be better. What's that, like 13 or 14? I don't even know at this point. He did a backflip. He's a cool kid.